Hi, I'm Paul Abts,
I'm John Deaton.
And I'm Lauren Singelmann.
and this is our ECE 376 homework number 9, where we are using timer interrupts and stepper motors. So if we come over here to our pick board, you can see we have the stepper motor initially moving one step every second, and then we program different times to each button, so it'll move faster or slower or in different directions depending on the button hit. So if we come over, we have RB0 set to be our fastest speed going clockwise at 5 milliseconds per step. So if we hold that down, and then RB1 is a little bit slower at 10 milliseconds per step. RB2 is even slower at 20 milliseconds per step. And then RB3 is slowest time at 40 milliseconds per step, as you can see there. And then our other 4 buttons we're using at the same times, just reversing the direction. So RB4 is going to be our 5 milliseconds per step in counterclockwise direction. As we move up the buttons, we go back through the times again at 10, 20, and 40 milliseconds per step. To verify these numbers, we have hooked it up to an oscilloscope. So right now it should be at 40 milliseconds per step, I believe. And you can see the period is 80 milliseconds per step. So that's showing that it's 40 on, 40 off, which is what we want. And as we go back through to 20 milliseconds per step, we have 40 millisecond period, 10 milliseconds per step, we have a 20 millisecond period, and 5 milliseconds per step, we have a 10 millisecond period. So that verifies all of our calculations and that it is stepping the way we want it to.